Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Step 1. Friedel-Crafts acylation, benzene plus succinic anhydride UlCl3, 2.2 equiv. Succinic anhydride undergoes Friedel-Crafts acylation with benzene in the presence of UlCl3, 2.2 equivalents. The ring opens and one acyl group attacks the benzene ring via electrophilic aromatic substitution. The product, A, is 4-OXO, 4-phenylbutanoic acid, also called beta-benzol propionic acid or 3-phenylcarbonyl propanoic acid pH, CH2CH2CU. The 2.2 equivalents of UlCl3 are needed because both the anhydride opening and coordination to the carboxylic acid product require UlCl3. Step 2. chem-mantra reduction, A plus Zn, Hg, HCl-B. Zn, Hg, HCl is the chem-mantra reduction, which reduces a ketone, C is equal to O, to a methylene, CH2, without affecting carboxylic acids. The ketone carbonyl in pH, CH2CH2Cu is reduced to give pH CH2CH2CH2Cu, i.e., 4-phenylbutanoic acid, gamma-phenylbutyric acid. This is compound B. Step 3. Intramolecular Friedel-Crafts acylation, B plus H3PO4-C. H3PO4, polyphosphoric acid or phosphoric acid as a cyclization dehydration agent, promotes intramolecular Friedel-Crafts type acylation. The carboxylic acid end of 4-phenylbutanoic acid cyclases onto the benzene ring to form a 5-membered or 6-membered ring. With a 4-carbon chain, pH CH2CH2CH2Cu, the acyl group attacks the ortho-para position of the attached phenyl to form a 6-membered ring ketone. The product is alpha-tetralone, 3,4-dihydronaphthalane 1,2-H1, a bicyclic compound with a fused aromatic ring and a saturated 6-membered ring bearing a ketone at C1 adjacent to the aromatic ring. This corresponds to option B. Why other options fail? Option A shows a ketone at C2 beta position, which would require a different chain length or regiochemistry not consistent with this synthesis. Option C and D show hydroxyl groups, but H3PO4 cyclization gives a ketone, not an alcohol. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.